Feeling good, just got off the barber chair. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know what that was, but I don't know, it's just a good feeling when you get out the barber chair. You feel like you can walk up on any girl. Hey girl, what your name is, shawty? And one of the most popular pictures amongst men on their Instagram or Facebook page is that picture in the barber chair. Then you tag, hashtag, I look fresh, hashtag Casanova, hashtag, I'm the best thing alive. The barber is a very important person in your life because your haircut determines whether you get compliments for the next few days, ooh, look at him, or whether you get clown for the next few days, ooh, look at him, push his hairline back. So here are the top 5 things that you should look for in a barber. The number 1 thing you should look for, as simple as it sounds, make sure the barber can cut hair. Because when you go in the shop, you gotta sit down and look at the barbers. This is when you get to play a critic. Oh no, he calls that a haircut? It look like he just put a bowl on his head and just cut it. I don't like that, I don't like that. Oh no, he messed up a bald head. How you do that? I don't like that. Oh no, I don't like that. Oh, he just gonna drop the clippers and pick them up and put them on the person's head without spraying them down? I don't like that. Oh no, I don't like that. You get to play the critic, so choose wisely. If it's something about the way the barber cut and you didn't like it, you don't have to get in that chair, move on to the next. Number 2, make sure the barber listens to you. Meaning that they cut your hair how you want your hair cut. Now, it's okay for the barber to give you suggestions, like if your hairline receding and you want a mohawk, maybe you should listen to the barber if he give you a suggestion, that's okay. But ultimately, it's your haircut, you paying for it, so get it cut how you want to get it cut. If you want a bowl cut, you want to look messed up, that's your personal thing, I ain't gonna judge you. But if you want a bowl cut, make sure that barber gives you a bowl cut. I once had to stop going to a barber because he didn't cut my hair how I wanted it. He handed me the mirror, I'm like, oh no, buddy, I won't be coming back to you. You ain't listened to anything I said. You're fired. Going to the barbershop should never be a stressful situation. So make sure they cut your hair to your liking. Number 3, make sure that your barber has his or her license. Very important. You don't want someone coming off the street, hey man, you know what? Hey, I know how to cut hair. Come on in here, I can cut your hair. Come on, I'll cut you good, I'll cut you right. You don't want that person. You want to make sure that your barber is certified in cutting hair, that they went to school, that they have their license, they know hair textures, they know hair treatments, they know the ins and outs of hair. Every barber should have his license on the station. It's a state board requirement that the barber has the license on the station. So it could be behind on the wall, it could be on their station, but you take a look at it and make sure that they certified licensed barber to cut hair. If not, then you may want to go to another barber in the shop that has his certification, that has his license posted. Because the negative thing is, you can be sitting in the chair, state board might come in there, let me see your license, please. And now your barber's, I don't have it. Now you know what happens? You gotta get out the chair. You gotta get out the chair with half a haircut. Your hair ain't done because this barber don't have their license. You can ask the barber to show you their license. And most likely, if a barber gets defensive, trust me, I believe I have a license. They probably don't have a license if they get defensive. I've been in this game for 25 plus years. I know. Number 4, make sure that your barber station is clean. A clean station equals a clean barber. If you look at the station and it's dirty, 9 times out of 10, that's a dirty barber. Probably don't wipe the clippers down. You don't want dirty clippers on your head because what's gonna happen is you're gonna get bumps on the back of your neck. Now you're gonna be mad at the barber. So make sure your barber station is clean. You can walk up to it, you can look at it, clean station, clean barber, clean haircut. CCC, clean station, clean barber, clean haircut. Remember the 3 C's, 3 squared, 3 CCC, triple C, however you want to do it. Clean station, clean barber, clean haircut. Number 5, make sure that your barber is someone that you can have a conversation with. Sometimes it's not about a haircut. A barber sometimes needs to be the counselor, fashion coordinator, doctor, lawyer. Sometimes you go in the barber shop, you just want to vent. You might be about to break up with your girlfriend. Believe me, I'm a barber. It's been plenty of dudes in my chair that have sat down and vented to me, hey man, this girl don't know I'm about to leave her. I know he's about to leave her, but she don't know he's about to leave her. So the barber needs to be somebody that you can talk to. You might be having a bad day, but your barber makes you feel uplifted. Your barber makes you feel great. So those are the top 5 things that you should look for in a barber. If you already have it, make sure you subscribe to my page. And if you have any questions, leave a comment or I'll include my email in the description section. I got 25 years plus experience in this game, so I know a lot about the hair industry. Also, and I said it before in another video, if you're out there and you don't know how to get your hair cut and you're looking for a suggestion of how you should get it cut, send me 1 or 2 pictures and I'll send you a picture back suggesting how you should get your hair cut. Y'all have a great day. Ow!